morning, guys. It is a little bit chilly here. It's a whole 50 degrees, but we're so acclimated to 100 plus that I think we've lost some of our thick North Dakota skin. Blackhawk definitely more so than me, but it is what it is. We are enjoying the cooler weather after such a hot summer. Enjoying some hot chocolate. Make it with almond milk, you guys. It's so good. It's so good. But this morning we're just starting our day. The dogs are running around on our, as you can see, still completely bare lot. No house yet, no well, no septic, no permits, none of the above, but we're working on it. And things are starting to slowly move forward, knock on wood. You know, after 8 months of only taking steps backwards, hopefully we're moving in the right direction now. But for now, the dogs have lots of playroom and dirt to roll in. Speaking of dirt to roll in, Lilo. Really, kid? Really? Lilo. Really? But anyway, I thought this morning I would take you guys on a little shop tour and show you guys kind of what we've been up to.
What are you doing? Huh? Having fun? What is that? What is that? Huh? What is that? Wants to run? You want a race? You want a race? Come on, Lilo! Come on, Lilo! Come on! Go, go, go! Run! 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 Run!
I'm gonna get changed and then I'll take you guys to the shop. Got my cocoa. Let's head to the shop. Alright, we're here. Our shop is in Wickenburg, Arizona. It's about 45 minutes from central Phoenix. So this is our shop. We've got this beautiful transit in progress, that beautiful transit in progress. We've got our Jeep, which unfortunately got a little bit of a boo-boo, so we're working on that. We've got this beautiful Chevy Express almost done. We got a new shop puppy. Hi, Bean. Hi, Bean. Hi. Hi.
Pumpkin spice. Like my lunchbox right there, and he stacked all of the granola bars on the side. So when I pulled them out, they all came with it.
We've got the second boss.
Oh.
Do you want to give the people a tour of this mess?
Mess?
Yeah.
Well, guys, this is our little humble abode. It's a lot better than what we had on the dirt lot and the Connex, the shipping container that we were working out of. But got my office, I spend very little time in here. Most of the time I'm out helping the guys, doing a lot of stuff.
You cannot lie on the internet.
Okay, I spend about 90% of my day in here looking at my computer, replying to emails. But that's to bring people in, you know, talk about their van build, have a good experience. Maddie's office, which is also the sewing and vinyl graphics room, so she has a lot more storage stuff.
Junk.
Paint cabinet, keep all of our flammables put away. Gotta have a break area for the guys. You can't be working all the time. We have some really amazing people that work here, and somehow they work 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, and they get a lot of stuff done. So we try and treat them the best we can. So we make sure we get them, you know, nice place to take a break. We got almost a full kitchen. We got the refrigerator, the TV. So as well as one thing that we do that was taught to me at a young age is take care of your assets. So we always like to make sure the guys are fully stocked with food and drinks. Sometimes they're not the healthiest option, but
Got to keep them caffeinated.
yep, they're the funnest. Work board, this has most of our current projects or projects that are getting close to finish. These are all of our build sheets, so Francisco, me, all the guys can come and look at it and make sure that we're on track, we're putting what needs to go in there. The shop puppy is taking the fridge out of the box right now. Hey, that's not supposed to be done until tomorrow. Doesn't listen very well. But my big thing, at the end of the day, it's organized, but to have places for things to go so you know where to go to look for them. So we got our two big main.
Are you feisty? Are you feisty, Bean? Huh? Sorry. Distracted by Bean as usual.
So we got our two big main work tables. All of our tools go underneath, so they have a storage space, get them out of the way, and then we can work on top of them. Right now we're switching out some Max Air fans. Mel and Abe, if you see this, I might have ordered the wrong fans and told you I didn't. I switched them out without you knowing. So we made it right. We switched them out with the right Max Air fan they wanted. So that's why we're having a mess. But then on this side is kind of the more woodworking side. So we got the saws next to the doors. That way you can cut and get out to the van.
Do you want to show them what we're working on currently?
So almost ready to go out is this 2008 all-wheel drive Chevy Express. Lifted, it's got the sweet roof rack, the ladder on the back. We also did our rubberized coating on the outside. The paint was flaking, so we had to fix it up a little bit.
Let's just look at Carlos's incredible skills with the bed liner.
It looks pretty awesome. It looks pretty rugged.
I didn't even know that this was bed lined until Francisco pointed it out to me, but you can't tell until you get up to it. It's nice job, Carlos.
So this is going out next Monday, so I'm just doing the finishing touches with the propane system, the water heater. The cool feature on this bed that you'll guys see on the video on the tour.
Don't tell them. We'll film the tour later today. It'll probably be the very next video out, and you guys will get to see this one. I'm excited about this one.
I don't think I've ever seen it in a van, so but we'll see. Diesel heater, propane, electric system, all that fun stuff. Really cool thing about this van, it's got the all-terrain tires, it's lifted, so it's a real good snow machine. That's something too, is if you look, that little cubby hole that we put in there, that's actually for his 185 skis. So they'll be able to go into the bench and he'll be able to fit at least 3 pairs of skis in this thing to go on the ski trip. So Big Easy over here, came all the way from New Orleans. Is really awesome. It was a passenger van, so we got the windows framed out. We actually cut out the factory window and put a slider in on the driver's side. We got our new cabinet doors here, and this is the customer's provided little curio cabinet that'll go there, but opened up some storage, got her a mattress. When she actually got this thing, she sold everything, bought this van, and slept on the floor for the first month and a half. So it kind of shows you really don't need a lot to live the van life. But to live it comfortably, you need a nice memory foam mattress and a nice big kitchen to enjoy it. Over here is one of our rental Jeeps. Big news on that, guys. Watch out for it. But this one is out of commission for a little bit. We're waiting on insurance to pay us out. That way Carlos can start disassembling and putting it back together.
Highly recommend steel bumpers. You should have seen the other guy.
I actually welded that bad boy up. You think I just push paperwork all day, but actually this bumper...
This was before you pushed paperwork all day.
In the glory days. But I actually shortened the bumper up to make it look better with the fenders. So that's all Blackhawk's handiwork. See, that's factory. That's me. Mine stayed together. But yeah, it's...
The other guy, we didn't get to see it, but the other guy was completely totaled. Had to be towed away.
Taken out on a tow truck. So, but this is going to get revamped a little bit, and it's going to be ready for rental hopefully by the new year. Over here we got Big Boy. Francisco's working on it. He's just getting the subfloor down. He did all the furring strips. He did the beautiful shiplap ceiling in here with our recessed LED lights. This is the one I messed the fans up on, so this morning we switched them out for the right model of fans. So, but he's going to get the flooring done, and then he's actually going to start putting the walls up. So this one is actually just a partial build. They came to us wanting us to get it ready for cabinetry, and then we're going to do the electrical system as well. So that way it's just going to be kind of a plug and play. They can do their layout how they want, and gets them there a little bit faster. But we have some really cool projects coming up, guys. We got a box truck. We got a lifted 4x4 van that's going to be a really cool build out. We got a 2021 extended transit. We have some Jeep build outs coming, so keep your eye out, and we're going to be working on some pretty cool stuff.
All right. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. I have to get started painting, finishing that up, getting ready to film that tour for you guys tonight. So stay tuned for that. It'll be our very next video. What else?
We got more stuff coming out, some cool adventures. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video.
Thanks, guys. Have a good day.